Barber, coming before you with another video today. If you're yet to subscribe, please hit that button for me, and make sure you follow us on Instagram, also at OpenShop247. But like I said, we're doing just an unboxing today. But we got the Tune 45 Power Mat and a couple of the power clips that we're gonna try on our skeletons. We're just gonna pop these open and let you see what we got in here, and we'll come back before you guys in a couple days, couple weeks, depending, and let you know what we think about it. But I'm excited to try this out. Glad it finally came in, and let's see what's all inside. Alright, let's see. First things first, we're gonna pop this bad boy open and see what all we got in here. Let's see. Some of nothing, but let's see. Looks like it's pretty straight to the point. Got a little charger right there. Let's see. And a pretty heavy mat. That's the first thing you're probably gonna notice, is that it's not a flimsy piece of equipment. So I'm gonna put this camera back up here and pull it out the box real quick. Okay. Shit. And then, well, watch out for the box. It's sharp as fuck. Got a nice little paper cut right there. But, oh, let's see, what are we get? Not really sure what this is, but you're gonna get some little thingy, with some adhesive tape on the other side. Let's see, instructions manual. It's not, don't look too complicated. Let's see, I guess this is, thought one side was English, one Spanish, but now it's looks like a two-part. But yeah, pretty simple. Nice thick mat. I don't know if you can see how thick this is, but it's use like a reference. It's probably like maybe nickel width, but pretty good mat. Trying to figure out. Looks like your charger goes over here. It's pretty neat. Not too complicated. That's it. Mat, charger, one-page instructions. I'm not gonna really go over the instructions on it because we'll save that for the review and when we look it up. But that's one thing I didn't know. You're gonna have to purchase some more mats because the initial mat that you come with only comes with one charging spot, but you know, oh well. I thought it was more, but I thought you could charge as many, but it's all good. But like I said, we'll come back before you guys let you know what we really think about it here in just a couple weeks. But also I got a couple power clips. I'm gonna pop one of these open. Pretty small. Yeah, see it, man. Looks almost like a little box from Zales or Jared's or, you know, something like that. Just blast it off of it. Okay, bam, let's see what we got. Comes with a little, I don't know what that is. Thought it was a sticker, but guess not. This, and it's pretty simple. Bam. Guess you're just gonna stick that on the end of the clipper. I got mine for the babyliss FX skeleton trimmers. I bought 2 of them, so we're gonna try these out initially. Let's just see. I guess it goes like that. Don't feel too bad on the trimmer. It's not too heavy, so we'll give it a try. See how we like it. But like I said, I'll let you guys know what we think about it here in just a couple weeks with a more thorough review. Appreciate you guys checking out this video. If you have yet to hit that subscribe button, please do. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. If you got the mat or I guess you gotta have the clips to have the mat. So if you got either one or looking to purchase any one, let me know what you think about it. If you got any questions you want me to ask in the upcoming review, please drop that in the box below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you've yet to do so, OpenShop247. And until we see you guys again, this your boy D the Barber signing off. Peace.